AI is changing everything, and I'm here to show you the tools that save you money, boost your creativity, and keep you ahead of the game. Artificial intelligence is everywhere right now, but here's the truth. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on software to unlock its power. Some of the best AI tools on the market are completely free, and in many cases, they're even better than the expensive alternatives. Today, we're counting down the top 5 free AI tools that beat paid ones. These will help you create videos, build presentations, generate artwork, and skyrocket your productivity without spending a dime. Stick around, because number 1 on this list is absolutely game-changing. At number 5, we've got Gamma, the AI presentation maker. Forget boring PowerPoints and hours of formatting. With Gamma, all you do is type in your topic or paste some notes, and in seconds it designs a full presentation with layouts, images, and clean formatting done for you. Students can use it to make polished school projects. Business pros can pitch ideas without hiring a designer. Teachers can build lessons faster than ever. And because Gamma is free, it saves both time and money. This is more than just speed. Gamma gives you the confidence of walking into a room with slides that look like they were created by a professional design team, when in reality, they only took you a few minutes. Coming in at number 4 is Pictory, the tool that turns plain text into videos. Creating videos usually means learning editing software, paying for stock footage, and spending hours in front of a timeline. Pictory changes everything. Just paste your script, article, or even bullet points, and Pictory automatically creates a video with clips, captions, and music. Suddenly, your blog posts or notes can become engaging videos in minutes. Marketers use it to repurpose articles into ads. YouTubers and TikTok creators use it to scale their content fast. Businesses use it for training videos. Normally, this workflow costs hundreds in software and assets. Pictory gives you professional results for free. If you've ever wanted to grow your video output without the stress, Pictory is the shortcut you've been waiting for. Number 3 is ChatGPT, the tool that's become a global phenomenon, and for good reason. ChatGPT can brainstorm ideas, draft essays, write emails, generate business plans, and even help with coding projects. It's like having a personal assistant, tutor, and problem solver on call 24/7. What's wild is that most paid apps only cover one function. You might pay for a grammar checker, or a copywriting tool, or a coding helper. ChatGPT does all of it in one place, for free. Writers, students, entrepreneurs, and developers are using it daily, saving hours of work and unlocking new ideas. The free version alone is more than enough to completely transform how you work and create. At number 2 is Runway, a revolutionary AI video editing platform. Video editing used to mean endless timelines, advanced skills, and expensive software. Runway makes it simple and, honestly, magical. Want to remove a background? One click. Want to generate an entirely new scene with text? Done. Need cinematic effects that normally take hours? Runway can do them in seconds. Creators are using it for YouTube videos, short-form content, and even film projects. The fact that many of its best features are free is almost unbelievable. Paid editing suites charge hundreds every year, yet Runway delivers Hollywood-style power without the price tag. If you make video content, Runway isn't just helpful, it's essential. And finally, at number 1, Leonardo AI, the reigning king of free AI art tools. Leonardo creates stunning, highly detailed artwork in seconds. From characters and environments to concept art and full-game assets, its results often surpass even premium platforms like Midjourney. Artists love it for exploring new styles. Indie game developers use it to build entire worlds without hiring big teams. Content creators and marketers use it for visuals that stop people mid-scroll. And here's the kicker. It's all free. People are building portfolios, selling designs, and powering entire creative businesses with Leonardo AI, without spending a cent. It's not just an art generator. It's a revolution in creativity, and that's why it takes the number 1 spot. Thanks for watching. And remember, with AI on your side, you don't need to spend big to think big. See you in the next one.